Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rangers Wolf. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a music visualizer for free. Before I get to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below so I subscribe. I reply as soon as possible. Okay, now let's get into the tutorial. Open any browser you prefer and then paste the link at here, musicvid.org. I will leave a link in the description. Okay, now scroll down. You'll see a selection called Circle Spectrum. Press this. Okay, now you can upload your audio file to the website. Log file from computer. Select the file you want to and then open. Okay, now you are already upload your audio file into the website, and then now here's have a selection called quick settings. You press this quick setting and then you will see four selection called background, particles, spectrum and emblems. Now let's go to change the background. Press background. This is a selection called change background image. Okay, press this change background image, upload from computers. Okay, select this and then open. Okay, now after you finish the backgrounds, can collapse it and then go to the particles. Here's to change the white color like a snow. You can change this number of particles. Okay, here's a speed. Okay, now you play and then you'll see the speed. Okay, now you see the speed become more faster. Okay, you can up the selections. So I think this is the most suitable. Okay, the size, you can change the size. Okay, not too big, just like a snow like this. Okay, after it finishes okay, now you can go to the spectrum. The spectrum like this, the sound wave. Okay, this is the height. Okay, not too high, just suitable. Okay, this is a width. Okay, you can set a width. Okay, here's the glow. You can set more glow or less glow. Okay, now after settings finish the spectrum, now it's time to change your logo. Go to the emblem and then we'll see a change image selection. Press this. Okay, and then upload your logos from your computers. Okay, but I want to remember, make sure you put your logo like become a rectangles like this, because if you put like this, the circle, it will become oval like this. It's not nice, so you put rectangles much better. Okay, now I re-upload. Okay, now this is my another music channels. You can go to check it out. I will put a link in the description. In all the music inside this channel are copyright free, so you can feel free to download and use in your channels. Okay, now we are done, and then now we can go to export your video files, your videos in. Okay, now you can say, because this is like a very relaxed, so you can say relax music. Relax music.mp4, and then FPS 60 is more clear, so put 60. Then the preset can remain ultra fast. Okay, now it's time to start encoding. Okay, you need to notice that here, adding distance is below is appreciated but not required for this project. So this project is not required. Some projects are required, so if required, need to paste this in your video descriptions. Okay, after export. Okay, now you can done. Okay, and you can wait until done, and then you show and then you can download. So need to wait for export first. A few moments later. Okay, now I finished exporting. Okay, now you can if you can click the link to download if the download didn't start, but my download already start. So no need. Okay, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share my videos. See you next video.